Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Last week I did a huge makeup haul, and this week I plucked a bunch of those products that I showed you, and I'm going to be using those products in the video today. So some of these products, all of the products I've never used, but they're not necessarily, I guess, new products. They're just products that I have not used. So I, again, waited until I could get some of these products at a discount price before I purchased them, and I had a lot of them on my list of things I wanted to try and wanted to buy. So again, a lot of this stuff isn't really new to you, but it is to me. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. The first thing we are going to do is prime our face. And I am going to try this. This is the Varsali Liquid Powder primer, and I've seen this in a couple videos, and again, it is a pricey primer. I believe this is over $50. I wanted to wait until I could get a little bit of a discount on this, so I have it. I want to try it. This is supposed to be great for oily skin. While that's drying down, I'm going to show you the foundation that I'm going to be putting on. It is the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. It's a hydrating foundation. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which is good because that helps keep your skin nice and plump and hydrated. It's 12-hour wear, supposed to improve the look of the skin. It's medium coverage. Doesn't clog pores, so we're gonna go ahead and get this on our face. Oh, and I bought the shade Nude Beige. Oh, I do like this foundation. It does give your skin that radiant look without making it look oily. So I do like that. It dries down real nice. It is a true medium coverage because there are some blemishes here that it's not covering up whatsoever. So it is like a true medium. Almost like a light to medium coverage, not medium to full, because I did put extra foundation there and it still isn't covering it up. So if you do like a light feeling foundation, this is really nice and I think you'll enjoy it. Next up is our concealer, and I'm really late to the game on this one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This has been on a list of makeup wants for a very long time, and I've passed it up a few times when it's been like on sale, but I was able to get it in BoxyCharm, so I was excited about that. So this is why I'm trying it now, because I didn't really pay much for it, and I got the shade Swan. Let's go ahead and get this on. So far, you know, even putting it on, I do like the consistency of it. It's nice and it's a thicker concealer, and I do like thicker concealers. So this does look like really light on me right now, but I'm thinking as my tan goes away, this is going to be great for the winter time when I am less tan. So let's go ahead and get this blended in. Right, that did blend in really nice. I can see why so many people like it. It's a really nice coverage concealer, so this would be great to use as a contour and a concealer and all of those things that people like to use it for. I do definitely see why so many people love it. Moving on, we are going to set the face now with a couple different products. So the first product we're going to use is this one right here. This is the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Finishing Powder. And I've been wanting to try this one, and I do think this one is fairly new. But I've been wanting to try because I do love Physician Formula products. I love the butter bronzer, of course. I think everyone in the world loves the butter bronzer. I do like the butter blushes as well. So I want to try a few more products that Physician Formula has to offer. So we're going to go ahead and set this. And I'm just going to set the pressed powder under my eyes and where I put the concealer. And then I'm going to use a loose powder to set the rest of my face. I know you guys probably can't see it in the camera because I do have like lighting around me and whatnot, but it did really smooth out my skin nicely. So we're going to see how that wears throughout the day and see if that stays the way it should throughout the day. So the loose powder that I'm going to try now is also from Too Faced. It is their Born This Way setting powder. and it's their translucent setting powder. So I'm going to use this on the rest of my face very lightly. All right, so far I really like the way that powder looks on my skin as well. So we'll see how that wears out throughout the day. I will put a little bit of a blurb in my description on how this stuff wore and what my final thoughts were about it. I did I got it in a set. It was a bronzer and a mascara. So this is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on our skin and bronze up our face as soon as I get it open. So we are all bronzed up. I do think this is a beautiful bronzer, and I'm so excited that I got the little mini version of it. Are there other bronzers that I think are better? Sure. And they're less expensive, so I'm probably going to go towards those a little bit more than something like that where it is just you're buying the name of the brand. You're buying Marc Jacobs. So moving on to blush, and I'm going to be using the Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Me Blush Cheek Color, and this one is called Meet Cute, and it looks like this. There's just like kind of a whole bunch of cute little shades in there, and we're going to just blush up our cheeks with this. Moving on to brows, we're going to try a pencil that from a company I've never heard of. It's called Realher, Realher. Hopefully that's how you say it, and it's called I Am Strong. I'm going to go ahead and get my brows filled in. Okay, brows are on. It is a nice little brow pencil. I really like it. I think everything went on nice and smooth. It wasn't waxy, which I hate. But it is like your just average little slim eyebrow pencil, really nice. Moving on to eyeshadow, and today we are going to be using this palette right here. This again is one of my new palettes. It is the Zoeva Glam All Night Long palette. It is just a beautiful like nudie eyeshadow palette. I really am excited to try out some of these shades. I really am intrigued by that yellow shade down below. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna do our transition. We're gonna take this shade here. It's called Full Swing. We're gonna put that as a transition shade. Now, I have used other Zoeva eyeshadow palettes. I've been trying to use some eyeshadow palettes that I have, but I haven't quite played with yet. And I have recently tried another Zoeva palette that I received in a BoxyCharm box, and I really love it. I think that the formulation in their palettes and the eyeshadows is really well made. So I think they're very easy to blend and a very workable palette. So I do recommend Zoeva products. I know they're not super cheap, but they are definitely, the eyeshadow palettes are definitely worth the money. Okay, so we have our transition shade on, and we're gonna move on to a darker shade, and I'm just gonna deepen up my outer corners, and that is it. So we're gonna go ahead and use, let's see, this dark shade right here, and the end here, and that is called Concert Like. So we're gonna go ahead and take that just like in the outer corner and blend up in that crease just a tad bit. And then we're going to be putting a glittery shade on our eyelid as well. Okay, so that is all we're gonna do with that palette for now, because like I said, I do have a shimmer topper to put on our eye that I want to try, and this is by CoverGirl, and these are the Exhibitionist Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. So I do want to try these. I'm just going to put this on the inner portion of my eye and the slightly going into my eyelid. So we'll see how that looks. We're going to try to keep our eye look just like a little bit simple and not natural, because I'm about to put glitter on my face, but you know what I mean. Okay, so this does look really, really pretty. They're really pretty shades. They take some time to dry down, and I did end up taking my finger and just kind of patting over it, because they are so liquidy, it does crease a little bit. So you want to just kind of keep an eye, let them dry down completely. You might need to, again, pat your finger over them a little bit, but these are gorgeous. Moving along to eyeliner. And I'm going to be trying something I've been wanting to try forever and ever and ever, and I finally got it. It is the Magnetic Liner and Lash. So this is a magnetic liner that you put on first, and then the lashes just kind of whoop, right to that, where you put that liner. So really excited to give this a try. We're gonna try this. Hopefully it isn't an epic fail. I've seen other YouTubers doing it and it looked like it worked out well for them. So we're gonna try that as well. The liner, gel liner comes in this little pot and you get a little brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this liner on. Okay, my thoughts on this is that this little gel is just it's too sticky and it's too hard to paint a straight line on your lid. I did go over it all with a liquid pencil after I put the eyelashes on and whatnot. I do think it's a pretty cool thing. They do stick and they are hard to kind of pull off again. So I'm going to wear them and see how they last all day long. I do know that they make like pencil liners too, I believe. I don't think it's all gel. I do believe there are pencils out there with the magnetic liners that might work better. I don't like this gel. I just think it's too sticky, too stiff, and too hard to work with. And I don't like that I don't have nice even straight lines on my eyelids right now. But other than that, I think the whole concept is pretty cool. I am going to now put some mascara on. I am going to kind of fill in some of the areas that I think I missed on my upper lid, because I can still see my lashes. And then I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom lash, and I'm going to use the other half of that little, I said I bought this bronzer as a duo set, so it was a mascara and a bronzer. So we're going to try the Marc Jacobs mascara, and I'm just going to get that on and we'll move right along. Okay, we have our mascara on. It's nice mascara. Again, you're paying for the Marc Jacobs name. There's nothing like super great about this mascara. It's mascara. It went on nice. I like the way it looks. It did fill in the areas that I don't like with these lashes. But I do think the overall eye look is looking nice. We are going to be moving along to highlighter, and the highlighter that I wanted to give a try today is this one. This, I did do a video a while back where you guys picked my makeup for me, and I could not find the Wet n Wild loose highlighter, and I really wanted to try it. I'm going to take a little brush. We're going to lightly highlight our cheeks. Ooh, I am barely tapping my cheeks and there is a glow, glow, glow. So that is beautiful. So moving on to lips. Lips are our final thing, and then we are done and we'll look at the completed look. So I did purchase these Jouer Long Wear Cream Lip Liners, and this is the shade Pink Champagne Shimmer. We're gonna go ahead and get this on the lip. This is so pretty and so subtle. You could actually just like fill your lips in with this like I just did and put a little bit of sheer gloss over that and call it a day. I mean, this is gorgeous. I'm really happy with most of the products that I've tried today, and we are going to finish this look with one last product, and that is this right here. I am obsessed with the Hourglass Veil Primer, and they came out with a finishing spray. So this is the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray, and we're going to set our makeup using this spray. And it is just like a nice little mist spray. And there we have it. It is done. That is our completed look for today. I hope you enjoyed me trying on some of these products that I showed you from the haul last week. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.